I'm Data Nerd Josh, and in this video, we're going to explore how to use generative AI to give us insights into complex legal documents. For this use case, we'll have an extremely long legal document that we want to run through our Llama 2 large language model and extract legal clauses, review them for completeness, and then recommend changes based on specific guidance for clause types using an app that's powered by IBM's watsonx.ai under the hood through API calls. There are plenty of use case categories for generative AI, but today we're primarily focusing on classification, extraction, and content generation. On the left, we can see the document details where we have text from the lengthy legal contract. As you can see, this text has not been formatted in any kind of way that's going to make it easier for us to read and review. Whenever I click on Process Document, this information will run through the Llama 2 large language model and based on the prompt inputs, provide output that shows the extracted indemnity clause, and this is going to be an example of the extraction generative AI use case. If we look at the next section down, we can see what the extract clause at the top has been classified as being closest to, and this is going to be an example of our classification generative AI use case. Lastly, we have the review results, which provide a number of review items, what the clause says, what is in the guidance, along with recommendations to align with the guidance. And this is a great example of the content generation generative AI use case. If we review the payload, we can see some deeper insight into how the model has been prompted, with instructions for each of these use cases, all while using the same Llama 2 model. Obviously, this is just one document that we're dealing with, but just imagine how quickly we could gather insights from hundreds or thousands of documents if a process was set up to do this. So instead of someone manually going through each of these documents, spending hours and hours, they can instead use generative AI with minimal prompting and training to take care of it for them. I mentioned IBM watsonx earlier. If you do not already know, watsonx is IBM's next generation AI platform that will help you train, tune, and deploy AI across your business, leveraging critical, trusted data wherever it resides with the ability to confidently govern and trust your AI workloads and models. This is a very high-level overview of watsonx, but please check out other videos and posts if you want to learn more. I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to encourage me to continue making more content like this, please comment, subscribe, share, like, and all that other good stuff. If you didn't enjoy it, then leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see or what I can do better in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.